In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export with Monday.com. We'll start on the home page of your Monday.com account, then move into a board, export its data, and finally walk through importing tasks from a file. From home, choose the board you want to work with and click it to open. Once inside the board, look to the top right for the three-dot menu. Click that to reveal more options, then hover over More Actions. From here, select Export Board to Excel. This opens a window that asks what you'd like to include in the export, and a couple of choices here are worth understanding so your file contains exactly what you need. First, decide what to include. You'll see toggles for updates and sub-items. Turning on updates will include the conversation threads tied to items, which is helpful for context, but keep in mind it can make the export larger. Sub-items are the smaller tasks nested under a main item. Include them if you want a complete picture of each item's breakdown. You'll also see an option to email me a copy. If you prefer to receive the exported file by email in addition to the download, turn that on. Otherwise, you can leave it off and use the file saved to your device. When you're satisfied with the selections, click Export. Monday.com will prepare the spreadsheet and either download it automatically or send it to your inbox if you chose the email option. If you're exporting a large board, give it a moment to finish. When it's done, close the export window to return to your board. Now let's import tasks. Open the three-dot menu again in the top right, hover More Actions, and choose Import Tasks. You'll see a screen where you can browse your files or drag and drop a spreadsheet directly. Before you upload, a quick tip. Make sure your spreadsheet has clear column headers and that the data is clean. For example, use consistent date formats and plain text instead of formulas where possible, and align your columns with the types of columns you have in your board, such as item name, people, status, or dates. This will make the next step smoother. Select your file or drop it in, then click Next to proceed. Monday.com will guide you through matching the columns in your file to the columns in your board so everything lands in the right place. That's the essential flow. Open your board, export exactly what you need, then import tasks from a well-prepared spreadsheet. Follow these steps and you'll move data in and out of Monday.com reliably and with confidence.